Hey, and welcome to C++ in 2021, the new series that I'm just starting. This series aims to teach you how to use C++ in a modern style, using all of the C++ 20 conventions and discarding any old like C++ 98 shit that might be laying around in all the other various tutorials you might be looking at. So we're going to try avoiding all the bad stuff and only using the good stuff. I will be using and referencing Professional C++ 5th edition heavily throughout this course. So I highly suggest that if you want to follow along or move ahead to pick up that book, I've got links down below. And I'll also be doing concurrency and multi-threading, which will be referencing the C++ Concurrency in Action by Anthony Williams, which is also probably the best book on concurrency available right now. So, without further ado, let's jump into it, where we're going to start off by setting up our project with C++ modules.